Hey everybody, and welcome back to Pocket Rocket Garage. Thanks again for joining me for another video on YouTube, and today I've got something a little bit different. Before we get started on today's video, I'd just like to say a massive thank you to everybody that's still actually watching, liking, and most of all, subscribing to the channel. If you can click on that subscribe button, it will make a huge difference and help the channel to get even bigger and better for this year. Now, when I'm welding, I personally always use a respiratory mask. Now, some people do and some people don't, but it's up to you as an individual, but I would personally recommend to wear one. Now, I've got these filters, and they are for the correct vapours and gases whilst welding. Now, obviously, when you're burning through zinc primer, this can be really harmful, so I thought I'd take another precaution and get myself a small extractor fan. Now, the problem that I found was extractor fans specifically for welding are extremely, unbelievably expensive, but there is a reason for that, because they're doing a really good job keeping you safe. Now, I found this for £35 on Facebook Marketplace. Now, I haven't tested it yet, and it hasn't come with any pipework, but I thought I'd video it today to see if we can get it working, and hopefully I can use it for future videos and get rid of any fumes, any paint fumes as well, out of the garage and straight away into the garden. I've just taken the base of the unit apart, and I wanted to show you how it works. So the air is sucked in through this hole here. It comes into this chamber. Before it goes any further, the air is passed through this stainless steel gauze, which collects any of the hot particles, and that will stop them going through into the unit and doing any damage. Once it goes through this chamber, it goes into the top air of the unit and then is blown out of this pipework. So I've given it a good clean. I've got all the debris out. I'm going to put it back together and see if it turns on. I've just found the old vacuum that I forgot I had in the garden. Now, this is going to go up the tip because it doesn't work anymore, but I can still use all of the pipes and the ducting from it, and they look like they're going to fit onto the unit. I've got some ends to cut off with a hacksaw, and then I'm going to have a look and see if I can get them to fit. I've just got this old suction pipe off the vacuum. Now, the only thing it did have on the end was a tight angle on it, this piece. I've cut that off, but I'm just going to put that to one side. So that now has got a nice clear run all the way through. That will be the end that goes into the garden. And this is the original end that fitted straight onto the vacuum. And guess what? It fits straight in. So that's absolutely perfect. So this will be the end that blows out and goes into the garden. So if I quickly spin it round. This is some ducting pipework that I've cut the end off, which was that piece. It was way too large, and now it's a lot narrower. It's actually going to fit into the end of the unit, which will actually suck and draw in the fumes. Now, on the opposite end of the pipe, I've managed to get just a piece of the old vacuum and put that on just as a finishing pipe, and it actually almost looks like it should be there to suck in the fumes. So all in all, it's worked out perfectly. Let's see if we can get it working and give it a test. Well, this thing has got some serious suck on it. It worked a treat. £35 well spent. If you haven't seen last week's video, take a look. I went out in a 1275 turboed 1978 mini pickup. It was phenomenal. Check out my face as we hit warp speed down the bumpiest road in this area. Now, I just want to say again, thank you to everyone that's watching the channel. If you can hit that subscribe button, please do. If you're coming back to the channel or if you've just found the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and it will let you know when a new YouTube video has dropped. Thanks for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed the video and the content. Something a little bit different today. The next video will be me getting back into the Classic Mini. So until then, I'll see you on the next one.